Ahoy mateys, it's Dazzling Latte, and welcome to... I almost knocked my coffee over. Oh man. Okay, welcome to my sample source unboxing. Okay, let's see what is in here. It's like the spring edition, so that's why I'm wearing my bunny ears, because like that's spring. I used this on, I think I used this on tomatoes last night. Let's just do this, you know. It's kind of clean. I didn't want to get up to get the scissors, and I had to cut this open. Oh, I see food. I see food. Oh. Nature's Path Organic Heritage Flakes. So this is like a cereal? Feels like a cereal. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like a cereal. And I have a coupon on the back for $1 off. That's so cute. And you just like cut it out. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. Okay, next. Ooh, Refresh Vaginal Gel. It's an odor eliminating gel. That is so cool. I'm gonna try this out. I think I've gotten this before, though. I'm not sure. Oh, I got the $2 off coupon. Oh, because it's a sample. Okay, so I got a Persil Pro Clean Power Caps. And they're for laundry. They're for laundry. So, yeah. And there's like, I don't know how many are in the package, but you just like put them in the washing machine and stuff. I don't know, I might do a video on Instagram on how to do that. Okay. See? Oh, okay. Okay. And then they got a coupon for $2 off. In the box, so that is cool. So if I really like it, I can purchase it. Okay, so I got two last items. One of them is a stone tile and laminate floor cleaner, and it's by the brand Bana, and you just like you vacuum, sweep, dust, or mop was the first step, and then you mist it, and then you clean it with like a cleaning pad or something, you know. I don't know, I'm excited to try it out. Next, oh, more food! I love it. I love it. Ooh, I can feel it. I can feel it. So I'm gonna look at the ingredients. Oh no! Wait. I know Nature's Path wouldn't have anything in it. Man! Well, I'm not going to be able to eat this one. It's Welch's Fruit and Yogurt Snacks. They're strawberry flavored, but they have red 40 in them, and I can't have that. I don't have artificial coloring, so I'll let like one of my friends try it out, and you know, just see how they like it. But at least I get to try out the cereal. The cereal, I'm really excited. I love organic stuff. Like, I love organic stuff. Okay, so that was it for my sample source box. I got a lot of things this time. Just like a whole big variety. I love that. Okay, so... Oh, I got this cute coffee cup. It's so good. I got coffee in it. Whew. Okay, so for now I have to go. But oh yeah, that wasn't a sample. That was like something I got from the store. But okay, so for now I have to go. But until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.